I've heard this phrase called running cases. What is that? Is that something that personal injury lawyers do?
They're not supposed to.
Oh, okay. What does that mean?
Essentially, running cases is also the actual name for it is barratry. Georgia's kind of cracked down on it in recent years. It has always been considered unethical and illegal. So not only is it an unethical type of conduct for an attorney where they can get disciplined for it, but it's also something in which they can get criminally charged. But not only lawyers do it. There are some doctors out there that will, there are some doctors and lawyers out there who will contact people who they know have been involved in an accident and try to solicit them to hire them.
So that's what running cases is, and that's where the myth of the ambulance chaser comes in. Alyssa.
Yes, exactly. So if you're in an accident and somebody calls you, that's a huge red flag. Because lawyers, according to the State Bar of Georgia and the rules that we are governed by, we cannot solicit clients. So if somebody calls you and says, hey, I know a doctor that will see you after this accident, that's a huge, huge, huge red flag. It's unethical. It's criminal behavior. And, we see it a lot. We see people who call our firm thinking they've even hired us. And people impersonate our firm and it happens. People call and say, we hired you at the hospital. And we say, we have no idea who you are. And so people just have to be, ready for these things. And you're going through so much. You're at the ER, you're on the side of the road stranded, and you're like, you think anybody would be helpful for you, but really there's a lot of scams that go on, and there's a lot of pretty shady tactics that happen.
You're not necessarily thinking somebody slipping you a business card is a bad thing, right? You're just like, oh, somebody's trying to help me out, and it turns out it's the opposite.
Lawyers cannot solicit business, and so, we always encourage people to call us right away so we can get a jump start on it and explain all of these things to our clients from the beginning so there's not confusion later.